We know that whole notes get 4 counts, and that half notes get 2 counts each. Quarter notes get 1 count each, and our eighth notes will get half a count each. Now, just like it takes 2 half notes to equal 4 counts, and it takes 2 quarter notes to equal the length of a half note, the same is true for eighth notes. It takes 2 eighth notes to equal the length of 1 beat. So each eighth note is half a beat long. Let's take a look at different rhythm combinations using eighth notes. Now, eighth notes are unique in that they may look different depending on how they're used. For example, single eighth notes use flags to separate them from other notes. Sometimes, eighth notes are grouped in sets of 2 and are beamed together, or you might even see them in sets of 4. They're simply designed to be grouped so that it's easy to play. Now you might be wondering, how do we count eighth notes? How do we count half a beat? Well, it's really quite simple. Eighth notes that land on the beat are simply counted by the beat's name. So in this case, we'd simply say 1, 2, 3, 4. Eighth notes that land on the upbeat or the weak part of the beat use the syllable and. In music, we notate that word with a plus sign. Let's take a moment to practice counting eighth notes. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The goal is to make sure that the eighth notes are even. You try. Ready? How'd you do? See if you can figure out the rest of this rhythm. How would you count this one? Count this rhythm. Here's our last rhythm. Great job!